beard. Why did she not remove before interview?
So, the Prachi Nigam did not remove her mustache because she accept herself that she have the hormones, few hormones of the boy that she is having mustache. And she already said it on an interview that I was made by God and I accept myself the way I was made by God.
People who are black, why do they apply Fair and Lovely or some other products? Why do they not accept themselves?
Because they don't have a such mindset of a person who is thinking
Do you
to
know
move ahead.
do you know the economy of beauty products? So many people are applying it.
I know so many people apply beauty products on their face to look beautiful, but in today's world, if you will not be a fair guy, for in example, past only there was a act of removing black people in Africa. There were a separate colony for white people and black people. In the past, it's happening now. When the people have heard it in past now, so what they need to do? They don't want to feel that discrimination. So they apply those very beauty products on their face to look a bit more beautiful than their early self.
Is it the conspiracy of beauty product group people or industry to have that brain set of people that does look matter? Is it that conspiracy from the community of beauty product? Do they actually want to exist all the things does look matter? Why people are accepting their self? Why girl like Prachi is not removing hair? Because there are many wax product are available. She easily can remove it, and most of girls are removing it. So is it because Prachi Nigam was told the reason why she is accepting her? Can be the reason
In my opinion,
and challenging the beauty product industry.
in my opinion, it can't be the reason because if there is a mustache of a person, then it might be from a very young age. For example, class 7 to 8. I think because I am having a few mustache only. So and she is having a bigger mustache like a young man of 18, 19 years. So she might be experiencing these things from the starting. So she is having a mindset and the experience to deal with these types of things.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.